World approval of these cars encouraged Ford to bring their advantages to light car motoring.
They say a woman generally has the last word. I don't know about that, but I know why we picked the Anglia. There simply matters of room. All the 3 children can get in the back without squashing up. Another reason is the size of the boot. We're the sort of family who never seem to be able to go anywhere without taking half the house with us. And I must say we both appreciate what Ford call headroom. I hate having to crawl into a car. And another winner with us is the wide parcel tray. But of course it wasn't only size we went for. Adjustable seats for long legs, driving pedals that cut out draft, and big curved windows at the front and the back we can all look out of.
The castings, as they leave the foundry, may look rough and crude to an untrained eye, but they are a precise engineering job. They have to be, because when they leave the foundry, they're going to be worked on by many hundred drills and cutters, all of them preset and automated.
It comes to us, you see, and our first operation is milling. Then we machine like oil pump pads, fuel pump pads, which should be held to within 10 thou. We start drilling bolt holes, tappet bores, it's got to be within 2 thou. And then we come on to fine boring on the cylinder bores, which has got to be held within 1 thou.
We check with the gauge against the part and against the blueprint.
We have a minimum amount of gauges on there of about 123. So you can just imagine, on that one shaft alone, we have 123 checks.
Why this emphasis on accuracy? Because that is what the famous Ford service is based on. We can ship any one of our Ford parts to a Ford car anywhere in the world and know that it'll fit when it gets there. In the old days, perhaps you could rely on skilled craftsmen, but today, the modern car industry relies on machinery more accurate than any man could ever hope to be. One of the most amazing modern developments in automation is the process of balancing every single crankshaft for optimum performance before it is fitted into the engine. not all inspection can be carried out by machines. For example, each set of gears is checked for smoother, silent running. Any wrong note and the teeth are trimmed and retested until the operator is satisfied.